Hey everybody, today I want to show you how you can combine the power of Facebook groups and affiliate marketing to make more sales and generate more revenue for your business no matter what niche you're in. Look, if you've ever heard of affiliate marketing, or maybe you never have, think about this. What if you could make money promoting a product that you didn't create, you didn't build a sales page for, you didn't even have to handle the shipping or customer service? Your sole job is to promote that product and collect a commission every time you make a sale. Pretty powerful, right? Well, what if I showed you can combine a totally free tool with about 2 billion people and leverage that to get totally free traffic to your offers? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So stick around until the very end because I'm going to show you how this works step by step. But first, I have to welcome those of you who are new and thank you to those that are returning. My goal is to provide videos and to show you how to leverage free tools on the internet to make money online and give those strategies to you every single week. Now, I'm not promising this will be easy. I'm not promising you it'll be quick. Heck, I'm not even promising you'll make a certain amount of dollars by this in that amount of time. But honestly, I don't know you or your situation and how much you're willing to put into this. But what I can promise you is to give you the roadmap every week that works. So if that's the kind of content you're looking for, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I release a new strategy. And don't forget to leave a comment with any questions you might have or suggestions of what I should talk about next. Typically, my videos and the ideas for these videos come from questions that people ask in the first 24 hours after I upload a new video. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video on how you can combine affiliate marketing and Facebook groups for a totally free method to make money online. Okay, so the first step that we're going to be working on is to find an affiliate product to promote. Remember, with this strategy, you're not going to be creating your own products or websites or handling any inventory. Instead, we're going to find companies that sell great products we can partner with that will in turn pay us to promote their products. One of my favorite websites to do this with is a site called ClickBank. Now, the reason I love ClickBank is it has dozens and dozens of products that you can get approved for instantly. And I also love ClickBank because it's free to sign up for. And they have tons of different niches and categories and products to choose from. So if you're interested in whether it be art or health and fitness or business or marketing, sports and travel, it's important to do things that you're interested in. And so as you have an idea, it's going to be really important in a second to stick around because I'm going to show you how to leverage this feature and show you how to make money online using ClickBank. But first, let's use them just to find a product you want to promote. For example, I want you to pick something that interests you. Don't just try to find whatever is the fastest selling or has the highest quality of sales. That information is great, but if you're running paid traffic, then that'll work. But if you're basing things more on organic and content-driven traffic, you want to at least start with a topic that interests you. And one of the best performing categories on here in this is making money online and how to start a business. And I really have yet to meet a single person that doesn't want to make more money. But check this out. Maybe you're interested in a new language. Maybe you're interested in health and fitness or yoga. Then there's products even for gamers, doomsday preppers, cooking. The point is, don't just limit yourself to whatever is really hot at the moment. It's easy to find products that you can see yourself promoting and selling to people you know. And here's why. The second step of this is we're going to create a Facebook group, not just around a product we're promoting. But first, why am I even talking about Facebook? Isn't everybody saying that Facebook organic reach is dead and you shouldn't be using Facebook anymore if you want traffic? Well, here's what I've come to realize as I've learned about and done digital marketing. One, there is no platform and no channel or method is dead. Okay. As long as there are users on that platform, there are eyeballs that can be generated that can create traffic to your offers and your business. Anyone that tells you something is dead is probably trying to sell you on their alternative method. And if you're just getting started, like a lot of people on this channel, I know how important getting free traffic is to your offers. So even if something I share here doesn't seem the most exciting or innovative, here's the deal. I'm not interested in doing what everybody else is doing. I want to do what works and for the best possible price. So yes, I still believe that Facebook, with over 2 billion users, is one of the best places that complete beginners can build their audience in their business. But Here's where my strategy comes in. Instead of focusing on your fan page or trying to contact people through Messenger or just posting endlessly on your wall about the products you're promoting, what I recommend doing in 2021 is to start with your own Facebook group. There are a few reasons for this, so let me give you this very quickly if you need further convincing. First, people are searching for groups to join in the way they used to research and search for fan pages. Second, Facebook is pushing groups, so the posts in the groups come up way more often in your feed than fan pages or even personal posts. Plus, when you have a lot of people in your group, they are posting as well. It's like 10 timesing the amount of content you produce without doing the work. And third, people can then invite their friends to join. I get email notifications from Facebook when someone requests to join my Facebook group. And about 50% of the time, it's also someone inviting their friends to join, which means completely free traffic for you. Oh, and the fourth reason, they're totally free to create. You can set one up by the time this video is finished. Okay, so maybe I've convinced you that this is a great opportunity, but how do we actually execute it to make sure it's profitable? First, you got to give the name to your group, and the name is very important. You don't want to create something too generic or even too personal. If I started a group called the Carl Avery group or the John Smith group, I might get a bunch of people who know who they are, but that might be about it. Or if I make a group called Make Money Online, I'm going to be competing against thousands of other groups with the same name. But if I made it specific and geared it towards my niche, like affiliate marketing strategies using free traffic, now, when someone reads this, they have a much better idea of what they're going to learn if they join. And they're more likely going to join your group over one with a generic title. This is why it's important to know a bit about the category your product is in for this method. I would personally not try this method out for gaming or for the weight loss niche because those aren't things I really know enough about, and I don't know what's important to the audience or what their struggles are. The second big tip that I found to make sure is that you make sure you have a pin post that breaks down exactly what the group is about. Make sure people know they can't post links or promote their own materials. And lastly, you want to put a call to action right in that post, whether it's for them to sign up to your email list or a direct link right to the product. The reason for this is because a lot of people begin to join that come on here may begin to get lost in the mix. So you need to establish yourself as the authority in the group and the go-to person for where someone should go to take further action and learn more. And the last tip I want to give you is if you're just getting started in your group, that's to post a variety of content right out of the gate until you can see what people like to engage with. I've seen some people that are just getting started who go live in the groups like every day, and that's great. Some people love when users go live and Facebook lets that group know when it happens, but it's not for everybody. And if you're not getting a ton of engagement there, mix it up. Maybe start sharing YouTube videos you find valuable. Post blog articles and other newspaper feeds you see and other tips. The goal is to make the group as valuable as possible so people will be encouraged to interact, add others, and ultimately join your email list or buy the products you recommend in your pinned post. All right, well, that's the strategy I have for you today. Do you have a Facebook group? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what type of group you have and the products you promote. I love seeing the different niches and categories people who watch these videos are in. And if you're watching this video, but you're still looking for that perfect product or affiliate program to promote, and then I want you to click on the link in the description because I have something way better than just the product for you that you can promote. My favorite course is actually an entire ecosystem of courses, softwares, books, and other products that you can make money on just by promoting one simple product. And this course called Partner with Anthony, created by Anthony Morrison, is just $7 a month. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me when I say it's one of the best courses out there for people who, like you, are trying to learn how to start an online business. So go ahead and click on the link in my description for more information. And as always, thanks for stopping by and see you next time.